Okay, today is the anniversary of Robert Cech winning the Nobel Prize in 1989. Because of the special event, we had Robert Cech fly out and be on the Thursday news station. So here he is. Go ahead and tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thank you. Hello, my name is Robert Cech, and I was born on December 8th of 1947. To a good home, my father was a physician, which some way was helped me with my career, along with my parents, who also had a girl and a boy. My siblings were named Barbara and Richard. In 1966, I attended Grinnell College, but soon after, in 1970, went to the University of California, Berkeley. I met my thesis advisor, John Hirst, who had great enthusiasm for chromosome structure. He had an experiment that turned out to be contagious, which I caught the disease, but it was not harmful. And in 1975, I got a PhD at MIT. My first position was at the University of Colorado in 1978. There I studied the intellectual environment. Because of my research, I won the Nobel Prize for Chemistry in 1989. What I did to win that reward was I created the theory behind self-splicing RNA. RNA is the nucleic acid that is generally single-stranded. RNA plays a vital role in transferring information into protein form system of the cell from the DNA. I started my first research with the process of how stored genetic info in DNA can be transcribed into a molecule known as mRNA, or messenger RNA, which further charge into a protein. I also discovered RNA is not just a passive messenger of genetic information. It also takes on an enzyme role which catalyzes and fertilizes intellectual DNA and reacts as essential to which is a reaction that is essential to life. I also was the first person to show that the RNA molecule could catalyze a chemical reaction. Scientists would believe that RNA is still just a messenger DNA and doesn't take on the role of an enzyme, which led to new medical information which could possibly save lives.